Welcome to art class. In this video, we'll get started in Sketchpad, a free online drawing and painting program. First, we will create a new document, then we will set the correct size format for our project. So, let's get started. First, you will need to open a web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so here I have Google opened. In the address bar, you need to type the web address for Sketchpad. It is www.sketch, that is spelled sketch.io. You must spell this correctly or it will take you to the wrong web address. Again, that is www.sketch.io. And when you click enter, this is the correct website. You should see sketch.io in the upper left hand corner. Over slightly to the right, you will see Sketchpad highlighted in red, and Sketchpad with the subtitle Your Digital Makerspace. These items on the left and the right of this large stylized S are the different languages that the commands are printed in inside the program. If you read another language better than English, select it. But once again, you must select the language that you read the best in. So I read English the best. I'm going to choose English. The program will load, and if you have previous work, it will display. This is a previous drawing, painting that I did. So this was my last work. If you have never used Sketchpad before, you should have a blank or white screen here. Now it's time for us to create a new document. In the lower left-hand corner down here, the top icon is a plus sign. If you hover over it, a small window pops up and it says New in red. So let's click this plus sign to create a new document. The next window should look like this. At the very top it says New, and then there'll be some pre-selected size here. This is where we need to do our first work, and it says Choose Preset Size. Click the drop down menu button and a whole lot of things show up. A whole lot of things. Some of these I'm not even sure of myself. But the one I do know is that for our project, we will be printing this out on paper, so I'm looking for the word paper, and then I'm going to look for the size. We want to print out a 4x6 postcard. So right here it says 4x6 postcard. Click that. Now it says 4x6 postcard. The width is set at 4. Height is 6 inches. This will not work for our project. We need to switch these. Our width needs to be 6. Our height needs to be 4. So click next to the number 4 and this up and down arrow icon will appear. If we click the up arrow at the top, it will increase the number to 6 with 2 clicks. But now we need to change the height. Again, click next to the number 6. Up and down arrows appear. We will now click the down arrow, and for each click it reduces by 1 digit. So after 2 clicks, we are at 4 inches for the height. So this is great. By default, blank is set. Blank represents a blank sheet of paper. That's what we need for our project. So we are ready to click the red button below, Create. You should see something like this on your screen. The white rectangle should be wider than it is tall. This represents 6 inches wide by 4 inches tall. This is the format that we will use for our digital art project. Once you have this, you're good for right now. In the next video entitled Having Fun with Vector Fills, we will be looking at this little icon right here in the upper left, the bottom icon. When you hover over it, it says Vector Fill. It looks like a paint bucket tipping over with paint beginning to spill out. And in the next video, it will spill out onto our blank canvas. So follow me into the next video and we'll have fun. See you there.